If you're working through building out your best sales funnel right now, I want to share with you a no brainer, easy, my favorite go to offers in a low ticket sales funnel. See, I've been working with information marketers since 2007 as a direct response copywriter, business growth consultant, and also making my own offers. And when it's time to build a sales funnel, always end up on the conversation of which is the best offer to lead out with in your sales funnel. And if you want to know what the best offer that I have found that's proven to sell very well, maximize sales conversion rates, and then leave room and opportunity for you to for your new customers to take the very next step and maybe purchase a higher ticket product or service that you offer and ascend up your offer stack, then don't miss out on what we're about to discuss. But before I dive in, I have an incredible free gift that will help you even more than what I can share here in this one video. You see, there's some critically important things that you need to know in planning your overall digital marketing game plan, writing your magnetic sales message, and launching a sales funnel that generates leads and sales. And that's exactly why I created a 6-day introductory launch course called Time to Breakthrough. There's a lot that must be done with expert precision to craft an offer that's really enticing, and then writing sales and promotional copy around that offer that clearly and persuasively communicates the value of that offer. Time to Breakthrough gives you a high-level view of everything you need to consider before you build out your sales funnel. And if you've already been in the game, it's going to give you some nitty-gritty details and nuggets that are going to help you up-level your sales funnel when you make it over and launch your next campaign. So the course is normally sold at $297 retail, but right now you can get it absolutely free. So just find the link in the description below and sign up for Time to Breakthrough today. So let's start by considering your goals. Number one goal is to maximize sales and profits on autopilot, right? Well, the problem is you can generate a lot of traffic and still not make any money if you don't know what you're doing. The reason is that your audience has just discovered you and they don't trust you yet. So in this trust economy where people are skeptical of buying now more than ever, you have to do your work of creating small steps they can take that win their trust step by step, and then you'll be able to open up and make bigger offers, and you'll convert better because you've been able to allow them the opportunity to take smaller steps towards your bigger offers, your core offers. So the solution here is making a high, low ticket offer that they simply can't refuse. In a trust economy where people are skeptical, making a hot, blazing hot, low ticket offer that they can't refuse, that makes sense for your audience is the best thing that you can do. Now, this assumes that you've chosen a niche that is blazing hot, where people are hungry for a solution like what you have. This assumes that you're in a niche where it's almost like selling water to a whale, right? That's the kind of niche that you want to be in, and that's the sort of scenario that you want to have with your audience. You want there to be a starving audience, opportunity where you have a very solid and clear solution that can solve the problem. Uniquely different and better than your competitors. When you've created that sort of a scenario for your business, you have a strong opportunity for growth in your business. Real quick, if you're liking this content, please help us out. Give this video a thumbs up, but also more importantly, share it with fellow entrepreneurs and founders who you think that it will help. And tell us what additional content that you would like to receive from us in the comments below. Now, in terms of best ticket offers, The first and most used low ticket offer since I've been marketing online since like 2004 has been ebooks. Ebooks were great back then and they're still great today. You can start by packaging your information or a portion of your information up into a quick win that you can give your customers within the pages of an ebook. I love ebooks too because you get all the profit as opposed to even selling a physical book. Physical books are great because people love to touch and hold their books, and you do learn a percentage better that way by being able to look in print and looking at things offline. That's true. But to maximize your sales conversion and to maximize the profit on each unit sold, you can't beat the profit margins on an ebook in terms of a written sort of document sharing a portion of your expertise. Packaging up your a portion of your expertise into an ebook allows you to be able to sell at a price point of say $7 to $37 pretty easily. If you've watched all the videos in this series, you will have heard me talk about the time where we took an ebook that we had on one of our niche affiliate websites from a $17 price point to a $37 price point and experienced zero price resistance even though we did a $20 jump in that scenario. Didn't experience any sort of price resistance. And so I would say start off at $17, but you may even feel free to try, depending on what you're selling and how starving of an audience you really have and how unique and new and different your solution is that you're bringing to the marketplace. You might even be willing to start off at $27 as a price point for your offer to test it. And now I've made most of my money, most of our actual income and revenue selling low ticket courses and workshops at a price point of $199 to $299. Now you need an offer that gets high, that maximizes your sales potential, and an offer that maximizes engagement. So my recommendation for this, in terms of your best low ticket offers that you can make that maximizes sales potential and conversion rates, as well as engagement, live workshops, paid live workshops. You could do paid live workshops every week. You could do them twice a month. You could do them once a month, whatever the frequency you want to offer these. But these offer you a great opportunity to generate revenue, to maximize your engagement with your audience, and to still remain fluid about the information that you're going to share. Whenever you do a live workshop, you're able to be sort of fluid, and you're able to test out your market to see what they most respond to, what information they like the most from you, so that you can sort of refine what you plan on delivering in less fluid, productized versions of your information, such as a digital course. A digital course is fluid for sure, but it's not as fluid, it's not as free flowing as a live workshop. So I love live workshops for that potential to test out and to engage with your audience on a personal level and see where they respond the most to, and refine your delivery of your expertise and knowledge. Live workshops allow you the opportunity to do that. And the more you deliver a live workshop, the smarter you're going to become. The more intel you're going to gain about your audience, and the stronger you're going to become as a presenter, and as a coach, and as a marketer to your particular audience. So consider offering live workshops. It's a high recommendation for me in terms of the best low ticket offers that you can present. Now, notice I said not a book and not a huge course. 1 to 3 hour live workshop, low ticket price. This is going to maximize sales conversions. You're going to get high engagement and interaction. You're going to learn about your audience and gain that vital intel about your audience. You're going to master your teaching and delivery style, as well as your skill with delivering to your audience. So now, by the way, offering a solid quick win in your offers is critical for building great offers of your products and services that leave your customers wanting more of what you've got. And that's why we created the Quick Win Course Blueprint. Find the link in the description below for this course and enroll today to create a quick win course or workshop in the next 14 days at a discounted price. Check that offer out today. Now, to conclude, you should have at least one ebook for your subject matter, whether you're selling an e-commerce product, say in weight loss or nutrition or some other niche where there's habits or practices that need to be implemented for your physical products to have the best level of success. And if you're selling information through coaching, through agency services, through courses, you need an ebook that you offer at a low ticket price. You already know this. So get that ebook done. Let's get that written. And then you also need to consider putting together a low ticket course at the $199, $97, $199, or $297 or $99 price point that anyone can afford. People just buy those things like Tic Tacs, right? You need to consider putting together a low ticket course offer like that, and also delivering that same course information in a live workshop format. Now that allows you to create a course material one time, but delivering it in two different formats: a live format as well as a low ticket digital course format for evergreen sales potential. All this together starts to build your offer stack in a low ticket funnel. This is a starting point to your offer stack. It's not the end of your offer stack. You can maximize sales conversion rates and bring more people in with these low ticket offers. But then from there, you have the potential to move people up into your higher end offers. And that is the way to build a smart information marketing business. That's the way to build a smart sales funnel process. Now, my Quick Win Course Blueprint guides you through building your courses and workshops, like I said, in the next 14 days. So find the link in the description below for that. Take advantage of that offer. If you're working on a campaign and you need one-on-one help, book a discovery call with our team today. You'll find the link in the description below. We offer consulting, critiques of your campaigns, copywriting services, coaching services, in addition to workshops and courses. So be sure to check out the next part of the series to go deeper into your mastery of sales funnel building to grow your high profit, low stress lifestyle business without losing your soul or your shirt. See you in the next video.